This is Paul. Yeah. It is 2:09. I walked up here a little early because I might be going to a community meal tonight, and I really didn't want to, but it looks like law enforcement is refusing to enforce the laws. Now, we could start with the forgery. Oh. And then the contempt of court. Yes. Just looking at it, I decided to really look at what other nations are doing as it involves parenting. Now, I downloaded some documents. They're very small, yes. And I just thought we should look at the responsibility of parents and what they're obligated to do when parenting. Yeah. Now, this idea of my wife having custody of my sons, yes. She has certain parenting responsibilities. Now, this idea that she's just going to say, well, I couldn't do anything. I couldn't remove them from the grades they're in. Yes. What are the rights and duties of parental responsibility? Now, this is from the Netherlands, the government of the Netherlands. Yes. And this is what's called family law in a different nation. Oh, as a parent with responsibility, yes, you must care for and bring up the child. You are also the child's legal representative. Yes. Now, I had mentioned that I wanted to be my son's legal representative. That means I wanted them to sue you for refusing to enforce their civil rights. Yes, civil rights coordinators. Now, a parental responsibility where there is a marriage, a registered partnership. If you were married, or in a registered partnership when your child was born or adopted, yeah, you automatically get parental responsibility for your child. Now, if two women are married or have a registered partnership, yeah, they both uh, they both also automatically have parental responsibility, provided the child was not acknowledged by someone else before the birth. Yes. Now, after a divorce, both parents keep parental responsibility for the children. Yes. Unless a court decides otherwise, parents still have a duty of maintenance for the children until age 21. Yeah. Now, liability for maintenance does not stop after a divorce or after a registered partnership ends. Yes. Now, parental responsibility where there is no marriage. Oh, acknowledgement of a child does not make a father or a co-mother the child's legal representative. Yeah. To become a child's legal representative, you must first apply for parental responsibility. Yeah. Now, parental responsibility includes being a minor child's legal representative. Now, these five minors named, yes, I should be having my parental responsibility enforced right now as their legal representative. Yes. Now, I informed the court, yes, that you can't use forgeries to issue protection orders. No. You can't say that the petitioner doesn't have to appear in court. She has a responsibility to appear in court when she is the legal representative of the minors named. Yes. There is no exception to the rule. It's a contempt of court to fail to appear. To There is no one that can be the legal representative of the five minors named. Yeah. You can't say that you have fiduciary responsibility, Healthy Families of Clallam County. See, when this was motioned for the reissuance of the temporary protection order, yes, it's the legal representative of the five minors named. That's the only person that can petition the court. You cannot petition the court for a permanent protection order because you're an employee of a charity, yes, or you're a police officer. Now, there was no attempt of service upon myself from June 1st to June 12th. Oh. Then you reissue the temporary protection order. Yes. And then you attempted to serve me twice, and then you issued it 48 days later. Yes. Mm-hmm. Now, if I was to look at the information from the municipality of Seattle, yes, you cannot issue a protection order for longer than 1 year when there are minors named. Yes. You cannot issue it without the legal representative's signature. Now, there could be a lawsuit in this. Mhm. See, the minor child's legal representative is the petitioner when petitioning the court. Now, you've removed not only the civil rights of my sons, yes, you removed all legal representative, as in representing them, as in the representation of the legal right to motion the court. Now, this parental responsibility includes being a minor child's legal representative. Now, when we look at it, yes, the state can't arbitrarily decide to issue a protection order against me, yes, restraining me as the respondent right now, because it violates their right to have legal representation. See, it's not just acknowledging, yes, and consenting to the court to issue the order without the actual parent responsible for the 5 minors named. They can't fucking issue it. The responsibility of being the legal representative of the 5 minors named is the petitioner. It is not the court commissioner. It is not Healthy Families of Clallam County. No. It is the petitioner, and without right now,